Goodbye, Texas.
Let's go to Colorado. Let's go.
Tomorrow I will be seeing my sister for the first time in like 3 months. These past few months without my sister has been very difficult. Oh gosh, my dog is scratching at the door. So let me just tell you guys what's going up. So first off, if you guys are new here, my name is Caroline and you should totally subscribe and join the Man Fam. 3 months ago, my sister left for the Air Force Academy. You guys may have seen my Dear Sister Leaving for College video where I wrote her a song and basically sung it to her, and that went viral, which was totally unexpected. Like my main purpose of recording it was for her to hear, but I'm so glad that you guys also enjoyed it and could relate to it. So flash forward to now, I'm gonna see her tomorrow. So I need to pack because I have not packed anything at all, and I am gonna go to school tomorrow because it is gonna be Thursday, but our flight is at like 9 at night. So I'm gonna go to school, finish school, probably take the bus home, and then get ready to leave. So it's gonna be a crazy weekend, but thankfully Monday is Labor Day weekend, so we have that day off, so I'm not like missing too much work.
No, you do.
I have been going like makeup free except for mascara, and then occasionally I'll fill in my eyebrows. These aren't filled in right now though, I just got them waxed. But I have like not been wearing any face makeup or eye makeup like I have like the past years, and it is amazing. Yes, makeup is a way to like express yourself, which I totally get because I did that a lot my past few years. But mostly my reason was I was insecure about my skin, because right now my skin is looking good, but I promise you guys, like 7th grade, there was some things. It's amazing not having to like take off face makeup and just like my eye makeup, and that's it. Because I cannot go without mascara. That's like the one thing that I do not feel confident going without.
Got a thing for them bullets on the north side. If you with it like you telling, come and change my mind.
Alright guys, so as I was packing, I realized that now is the perfect time to show you guys a little clothing haul that I have. It is from the company Hello Molly. Hello Molly is an Australian clothing brand, and I picked out a bunch of dresses, mainly dresses because we're going to be going to church whenever we go to Colorado. And I also just picked out stuff for the fall and just some things that I might not have picked to go out of my comfort zone. So thank you Hello Molly for sponsoring this, and I'm super excited to show you the dresses that I have. Alright guys, so this is the first dress. I think this is very church appropriate, and I'm really excited that I chose this one because I don't own anything like this. I kind of feel like I'm going to like a German festival. Because we just came back from Germany and they wore like super cute outfits like this. So I'm thinking like with a belt around this would be super cute as well. Maybe even like heels for church. But yeah, just this super cute white dress. And it kind of has like that smocked look at the top. Alright, so this is the next dress, and this literally reminds me of like a cocktail dress. It is so cute and the pattern is amazing. I kind of feel like I'm going to a wedding almost, but this fits really well. In case you guys were wondering about the sizing, length is perfect, I think. Maybe not church appropriate because like it's a little bit short, but I don't see why you couldn't wear this to like a wedding or something, because I think this is so cute. Alright, this third dress is super modest, I must say that. I do not own a lot of dresses that have long sleeves, so I'm really glad that I picked this one out. Also, I don't pick out a lot of dresses with yellow in it, but this is super cute, And I feel like this would make a really cute like Easter dress for church or just anything like that. A lot of them I picked out were for church, and then the other half were like things that were not appropriate for church. But this I feel like could definitely fit into that category. I like the cut right here too, and it has like a little tie thingy right here that you can undo and tie to your preference. All right, now this is one of the dresses that is definitely not church appropriate. This is like an example of what I was talking about, but this dress is so cute and I love the way that it fits, giving me major Tommy Hilfiger vibes, which I'm totally here for. This is probably the one that I was most excited for because this is like a turtleneck, super cute fall dress. It's also like a bodycon dress as well, so it is pretty tight, but overall so cute, and I can't say enough good things about this. And then best for last is this super cute pink jumper slash like romper thing. Not really sure what it's called, but oh my goodness, I'm getting like total princess vibes over here. Super cute, really comfy, and I like the like flowy material. The length is perfect. And then if you guys are worried about like the adjustable stuff, it comes with adjustable straps and then an adjustable like waist tie thing. Also, my mirror is really dirty. Sorry. This one is definitely going in the suitcase. I will see y'all when I finish packing tomorrow. What's up guys? It's the next day and I just got home from school. I have so much homework to do, so kind of stressed out right now. But I need to finish packing because I haven't packed like my toothbrush and like toiletries and all that. She's so, oh shoot, I just poked her in the eye. Also, yesterday I got my nails done and look at how cute they are. Oh my gosh. Okay, so for toiletry bags, we're gonna use this and that. Okay, because we're going to visit her at the Air Force, I thought it was fitting to bring this, even though it's not mine, it's Catherine's. Definitely cannot forget these. Charger. Gonna need a pencil to do my homework. Okay guys, so we're at Catherine's sponsor family's house right now, and we're actually really good friends with them, so this all worked out. Long story short, we got in at like midnight. Had to go get a rental car, but the lady talked forever, so it was like another hour. Then we had to drive from Denver to Colorado, which was another hour. So by the time we got home, it was like 2 o'clock basically, and we had to wake up at 6. We left 4 hours of sleep. So I'm running on like no sleep right now. I am so tired. I still feel kind of sick because earlier this week I was like coming down with a cold or something. So we are gonna surprise, or she actually knows, but we're gonna see Catherine today and I'm gonna film that, and that's gonna be up tomorrow. So if you guys liked the video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, and if you didn't, don't do anything. I love y'all so much. Have a great rest of your day, and I will see you in my next video.